If you're searching for one of the most luxurious and breathtaking resorts in Koh Samui, this is it. The InterContinental Koh Samui Resort. Located on the west coast, this resort is set across 22 acres of tropical hillside, overlooking the Gulf of Thailand. This side of the island is known for its peaceful atmosphere and incredible sunsets, with panoramic views of the famous Five Islands and Antong National Marine Park just offshore. It's more secluded than Chaweng, but that's exactly the appeal. You're here for privacy, views, and total relaxation. InterContinental Koh Samui Resort is an award-winning, luxurious property, offering a mix of elegant rooms, suites, and private pool villas. The resort features 79 rooms and villas, creating an exclusive, uncrowded feel even during peak season. The rooms are spacious, starting around 65 square meters, and includes large balconies, ocean views, and premium amenities. What truly sets this resort apart is the cliffside design and luxurious experience. You will find multiple infinity pools overlooking the ocean, the famous air bar, which has one of the best sunset spots on the island, the Bantai Spa offering world-class treatments, and private pool villas for the ultimate luxurious stay. The resort also offers Club InterContinental benefits, including exclusive lounge access, afternoon tea, and evening cocktails. The resort has its own private white sand beach, with calm, clear waters perfect for swimming and kayaking. Because of its west-facing location, this is one of the best places on the island to watch the sunset, right from your own villa, the beach, or even the bar. Nearby, you can explore the Angtong National Marine Park for island hopping, local fishing villages, or scenic viewpoints and waterfalls. The best time to visit Koh Samui is between December and April, when the weather is dry, sunny, and perfect for beach days. Expect temperatures around 28 to 32 degrees with light winds and calm seas. The InterContinental Koh Samui Resort is perfect if you want luxury and privacy, incredible ocean views and sunsets, spacious rooms and private villas, and a peaceful high-end island experience. So if you're dreaming of a truly unforgettable stay in Koh Samui, this resort delivers world-class luxury in one of the most beautiful settings in the country. This is a beautiful hotel. I have stayed here before, and the views are spectacular. When I was there, it was a little cloudy, so the sunset wasn't as spectacular as normal, but still very, very nice, that is for sure. Now, this is a 5-star resort, and it's the InterContinental, so that comes with a price tag. But I will say the price has gone up significantly from when I stayed there about 2 years ago. But first, we'll get to the customer ratings. This is from Agoda. I will put the link to Agoda in the video description if you want to check it out, get more information, and check the prices on your dates. But right now, the reviews, and there's more than 1,000 reviews, rates this hotel at 9.1 out of 10. And I agree with that. This is a very nice place. Customer service is second to none. The food was absolutely delicious. The bar is spectacular. The views from the bar, absolutely amazing in the evenings. This is a nice place. It's got a nice quiet beach as well. But the price, looking ahead 2 months from today, the starting price, this is the cheapest room and before tax, is 18,500 Thai baht per night. That's 575 US dollars at today's exchange rate. That's before taxes and the cheapest room available. That is just about 3 times what I paid there 2 years ago. The price has gone insane. But with that, you get a very quiet hotel in a very quiet location. There's really nothing else around here. And spectacular views. And let's not forget, you got the 5-star InterContinental customer service, which is basically second to none. It's pretty spectacular, let me tell you. But the price, for some reason, seems to have exploded. But that being said, I will leave the link to Agoda in the video description, and you can check out the prices on your dates. It does get cheaper. It was a whole lot cheaper when I was there. That is for sure. All right, guys, there it is as always. Thanks for watching. If you're new here and you like these kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you on the next one.